Hello students, welcome to Saurabh Sir classes. This is another question of TIFR 2026. This is a very popular and some conceptual question. So let's try how to do this. Okay. Consider the following two assertion about a group G, that G is abelian, and the map phi maps G to G given by phi G equals to G square is a group homomorphism. Then which of the following is true? One implies two or two implies three. That means you have to consider two statements and uh, try to analyze the if one statement is whole true, then can we get the second statement automatically? So not. Okay. So let's try with. So given so let given sorry. So given G is abelian. Abelian. So for A comma B belongs to G, which imply AB equals to BA for any AB belongs to G. Now phi maps G to G defined by phi G equals to G square. So phi AB A dot B means phi AB phi AB equals to AB square, where G belongs to G, so AB belongs to also G. So this gives AB. So by associative property of group, we can write this as A into BA into not is composition of A group composition of BA composition of B. So this gives A composition. BA means AB. So because since AB belongs to G, therefore BA equals to AB. Okay. Then A square, this gives A square equals to B square, which is nothing but phi A composition of phi B. So if star is a group composition, then we see that phi of sorry phi of A composition B gives phi A composition phi B. So this implies phi is homomorphism. Homomorphism. So therefore 1 implies 2. Now consider phi is homomorphism. That means we consider the statement 2, homomorphism. Therefore, phi A, B equals to phi A, phi B, as it is a group homomorphism, which implies AB square equals to A square, B square, which implies AB, AB is A square, B square, which implies by associative property of group A, BA, B equals to A square, B square. Okay. So, which implies, okay. So, composing inverse of A left hand side of both, that means A inverse A, A inverse A, BA, B, A inverse A square, B square, which will gives B, A, B equals to A, B square. Similarly, composing B inverse on the right hand side of both side, we will get B, A equals to A, B for all AB belongs to G. Okay, and we take here AB as arbitrary. So for any arbitrary AB, we get BA equals to AB, which implies G is abelian. Abelian. So 2 is also implies 1. So we get, so 1 imply and imply by 2. So 1 imply 2 and 2 imply 1. So option A is correct. Thank you.